Hello students, in this video we will discuss about three formulas. First is area of triangle, second is area of quadrilateral, and third is criteria of collinearity of given 3 points. First we take area of triangle. Let A, B, C, whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively, and given like this. Now, then area of that triangle will be 1 by 2 modulus. This sign is read as modulus. This is the two parallel lines. Modulus, why use the modulus sign? Because area of triangle or area of any region never negative. So we will use the modulus sign, because if actual calculation of this data will be negative, then in the last we should be take as a positive. So I write here from first modulus. Then area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. There is no need to start from x1 or vertex A. You can start from B or C. If you start from B, then you should be right here x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 plus x1 y2 minus y3. Now if you want to find the area of quadrilateral, means area of quadrilateral A, B, C, D, whose coordinate of vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 and x4 y4, then area of quadrilateral equal to, first make a quadrilateral here, any type of quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Then coordinate of A is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4 and y4. If you want to find the area of this quadrilateral, then first you should be divide this into two parts, means join any one diagonal. You can I join here BD, you can join AC also, there is no issue. If we join any diagonal, then this quadrilateral divide into two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle BCD. Then you can find the both triangles, area of both triangles with the help of above this formula, means by the formula of area of triangle, and adding both, then you can find the area of triangles. I don't write a special formula for this. You can write here area of quadrilateral equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Now finding the area of triangle, you should be apply this formula, and area of triangle BCD you should be apply also this formula, and adding both, then you can get area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now last topic of this video, what is the condition of collinearity if three points are given? Condition of collinearity of given 3 points As you know that collinear means if all points lie on a straight line. That means suppose A, B, C are given 3 points. Since A, B, C are not collinear, that means all points not lie on the same line, same straight line, then this triangle have possible. But if these points lie on this straight line A, B, C, then we can't form the triangle with the help of these points. That means if these points lie on a straight line, then this area of triangle will be equal to 0. That means condition of collinearity of given 3 points, if, that means you should write like this, condition of collinearity, condition of collinear of 3 points will be equal to, points equal to area of triangle formed by that given points is equal to 0. This is the condition for the collinear. That means 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, and calculate it. If the answer, that means calculation of this, will be 0, then you can say that these points A, B, C will be collinear. Now, in the next video, we will discuss about some questions related to this topic.